So guys, we are going to play Cricket League. Sorry for the sounds. Sorry for the sounds. Let's play. It's opening. So we are going to play.
আম খাচ্ছ লিচু খাচ্ছ জাম খাচ্ছ
So first ball. That's 24. 4 runs. One ball, 4 runs. So second ball is coming. Tabi. And that's a 4. That's it. It's a bad boost also. So the ball goes to 4, 6. This will be 3 to 1 runs and 2 runs. Okay. This I will try to hit a big 6. We will try. And there's a white ball. White ball. The ball is coming at Yorker or length. But it can't hit. Second ball we will try. So let's try. Second ball. Third ball. Oh, that's the like. That's a perfect. And this goes to 6. Stadium 6. Try to cover gravity. That would be cool. One runs. 22 runs target. He can score bigs, but not close to perfect. I have 3 perfect. Pulled out. He's pulled. Let's see that my audio is working or not.
মনটা একেবারে ভরে গেল
Soar
সুন্দর গান শুনে। খুব খুব ভালো হয়েছে
is
তোমার গান।
it is running
আমার দূরের শ্রোতা বন্ধুদেরও আমি জানি
1
তাদেরও
minute.
খুব ভালো লেগেছে, তাই না? আচ্ছা, এরপর আমরা পাশে আরেক ছোট বন্ধু বসে রয়েছে। চলো তার সাথে একটু কথা বলি। তোমার নাম কি?